Hey there, everyone. I hope you're all having an awesome day. First of all, a huge thank you for your support in grabbing my YouTube Notion template. Your support means the world to me. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through this template, showing you how to make the most out of it. Let's dive right in. Starting off, we've got the Video Ideas page. It's super straightforward. Here, you can jot down your video concepts and any notes that come to mind. What's cool is that these are organized as toggle lists, keeping things neat and focused on your different ideas. Now, I won't spill all the beans, but there's a page chock full of tips and tricks that come with the template. You'll have to snag it to uncover all those hidden gems. Next up is the Goals section. Here, you can set and monitor your goals, helping you stay on track and motivated. Last but not least, we've got the Upload Times table. This nifty tool helps you experiment with different upload schedules and see how they impact your views. It's all about optimizing your content strategy. So let's explore this template together, and I'm sure you'll find it incredibly helpful for your YouTube journey. Thanks again for your support. Let's make some amazing content.